Understanding the Low-Fat Diet, a guide for English language learners. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore a very common and important phrase in English, low-fat diet. Whether you're interested in health, nutrition, or just want to expand your English vocabulary, this video is for you. Let's dive into what this phrase means and how it's used in everyday conversation. A low-fat diet is a nutritional plan that emphasizes eating foods with less fat, particularly saturated fat and trans fat. This diet is often recommended for health reasons, such as reducing the risk of heart disease or managing weight. It's not just about eating less fat overall, but also choosing healthier types of fat, like those found in fish, nuts, and olive oil. In a low-fat diet, certain foods are encouraged while others are limited. Foods like fruits, vegetables, lean meats, and whole grains are staples in this diet. On the other hand, foods high in saturated fats, like butter, cheese, and fatty meats, are eaten less frequently. It's all about making healthier choices without completely eliminating fats from your diet. One common misconception is that a low-fat diet means no fat at all. However, our bodies need some fat for energy, to absorb certain vitamins, and for overall health. The key is balance and choosing the right kinds of fats. Another misconception is that all low-fat foods are healthy. However, some low-fat products may be high in sugar or calories, so it's important to read labels carefully. Adopting a low-fat diet can have several health benefits. It can help reduce the risk of heart disease, lower cholesterol levels, and contribute to weight loss or maintenance. It's also associated with a lower risk of certain types of cancer and can improve overall health and well-being. I hope this video has helped you understand the meaning and importance of a low-fat diet. Remember, it's all about making healthier choices and finding a balance that works for your body and lifestyle. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this information useful. Stay healthy and keep learning.